We're going to look at some examples of reflections. The first one, we want to reflect across the x-axis. Notice we went one away from the x-axis, so we went one away from the x-axis. One away again, and then to get to B, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 that we had to count, so 1, 2, 3, 4. If we wanted to write it as a rule, we could write x, y goes to, and let's look at B for example. The new point was 1, negative 4. The x value stays the same, and that's going to be the same for all the coordinates. And then the y value is negative. So we write negative y, meaning you're going to change the sign of the y. The next one, we want to reflect across the y-axis. So we're going to start back from our original triangle again. One away is how we get to C, and that's one away from the line of reflection. So now we're going to go count one more in the other direction, perpendicular to the y-axis, and that's going to be C prime. For A prime, we count 1 and we get to the line of reflection, so we can count one more, and that will be A prime. B, we make a perpendicular line to the line of reflection again, and we counted 1, so we're going to count one more, and that's B prime. So if we wanted to make a rule for that, we could say x, y goes to, let's look at B for example again. B was originally 1, 4. Now it's negative 1, 4. So notice the x value is what changed. So that's negative x and the y stayed the same.